Damage verbs. Break. He accidentally broke the glass. Destroy. The earthquake destroyed the entire building. Crush. She crushed the can with her foot. Shatter. The window shattered into tiny pieces. Tear. He tore the paper into halves. Scratch. The cat scratched the table. Dent. The accident dented the car door. Burn. She burned her hand while cooking. Crack. The vase cracked after falling. Smash. He smashed the bottle against the wall. Rip. He ripped her jeans climbing the fence. Chip. He chipped his tooth on the hard candy. Fracture. He fractured his arm during the game. Burst. The balloon burst suddenly. Bruise. She bruised her knee after falling. Spoil. The heat spoiled the fresh fruits. Bend. The strong wind bent the tree branches. Freeze. The water froze and cracked the pipes. Warp. The heat warped the plastic frame. Leak. The old pipe leaked water all over the floor. Crumple. He crumpled the paper into a ball. Mark. The pen marked the table permanently. Scar. The fire scarred the wall permanently. Melt. The heat melted the wax candle. Shred. He shredded the old documents before throwing them away. Sink. The heavy boat sank into the water. Stain. The spilled coffee stained the carpet. Overheat. The engine overheated and stopped working. Please subscribe my channel.